Trending stories across all of our social media platforms as we welcome in our Ariana Moyer. She is here to talk about what's called Neuralink.
Yes. So this happened actually really recently. So according to Elon Musk, the first human to receive an implant from his computer brain interface company Neuralink happened over the weekend. So he tweeted out last night, or put out on X rather, saying that the patient received the implant on Sunday and has been recovering well, and he says that these initial results are showing neuron spike detection. And so what this device is about the size of a large coin, so quarter-esque size, and is designed to be implanted in your skull with ultra-thin wires going directly into the brain. They said that it's going in the region that controls movement intention. And so theoretically, with this device in your head, you can control your phone, your computer, just by thinking. And that's kind of the goal of the process. Now, he hasn't talked about any of that yet. It's still obviously in the very early stages. It is just put in this individual's brain. But the first users, he said, will be people who have lost limbs, kind of to help regain movement that way, with your mind. So yeah, what do we think about this?
So many questions.
I mean, it's probably the future, and
Yeah.
for folks who maybe don't have use of limbs, this could be a game
Yes.
changer if it manages to bring mobility back.
Right, and so that's why these kind of clinical trials right now are important, because we're not sure, A, how effective it is or how safe. So back in September, they asked for people who were willing to kind of be a part of this process, test them out, things like that. So they are willing participants.
Think of the number of things where you need your limbs, and if, for example, you could type just by thinking.
Right, yeah, that's one of the things,
Fascinating.
that you could use keyboards with your mind. I think it would have to be a certain type of keyboard that would link to it, obviously. You could use your phone, computer, anything digital-esque, theoretically, you could be able to use just by thinking, which I think is very cool, but kind of a scary concept at the same time.
What happens with the computer if it malfunctions, or the phone?
Or with the
and
chip
then-
itself, do you have to
Right.
get
Yeah.
surgery every time? That seems kind of invasive, but we'll see how it all goes as the trial continues.
Wow, very interesting for sure.
Certainly lots to watch. More on that on our website, erienewsnow.com.